Hey everyone, today I will show you how to set alarm in iPhone with song. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. Once the app is open, tap alarm at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new alarm. Now you can choose the time that you want the alarm to go off. Right after, tap on sound. Here you can choose a song from your music library or from Apple Music. So tap pick a song. It should open Apple Music on your device, then select the song that you want to use as your alarm sound. Once you've selected that song, it should be available here on your songs list. So just click on back button. Finally tap save in the top right corner and your alarm is now set. The selected song will play when the alarm goes off. And that is how you set an alarm in iPhone with a song. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.